Check out this beautiful pool behind me. 4-bedroom, 3-bath in a gated community close to Publix, the Polk County Parkway. So much. Run to Bartow in 5 minutes. Let's go take a look at this home. You are going to love it. Okay, so I'm going to give you a nice detailed tour of this home. It's in Southeast Lakeland. You're going to see the beautiful elevation here. It's got a nice sized yard. It's on a corner lot, 3-car garage. It's a nice quiet neighborhood. Now they're doing a little bit of lawn work down the road here, so you may hear those lawnmowers down there, but you've got water across the streets, meaning there's a lake. These homes are on the lake across the street. The nice thing about this, it's a dead-end cul-de-sac, so there is only a handful of homes in here. And after you go around the corner there, a couple more homes, and then that's it. So it's a small, nice, quaint neighborhood. Again, gated over off Clubhouse Road, like 2 minutes to Publix, another 3 minutes to another Publix. And let's go take a look at this home. Notice some of the neighbors in here, and just really nice. Everybody really takes care of their homes very nicely. So let's go take a look at this home. It's got a nice, huge entryway when you first walk up. So take a look at this. It's got tray ceilings, crown molding, nice open floor plan. I want to show you the wider baseboards. It's got custom woodwork. Take a look at some of the craftsmanship on this home. Thick crown molding. Even the dining room when you first come in here has got a tray ceiling with crown molding, shutters, lots of natural light in this home, ceramic tile floor, nice desk built in there. Get all the built-ins. It's been really taken care of. And take a look at this kitchen. This is an entertainer's dream for a kitchen. Granite countertops, double island, stainless steel appliances, beautiful dark wood cabinetry, huge kitchen nook area with triple windows overlooking the pool. Let me tell you something, you're not going to find a lot of pools like this in Lakeland. If you do, you're going to probably come off a good amount of money to put in a pool this size. Pavers, I'm not going to price out a pool. I have no idea, but I can tell you it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Even got some fountains here. I'm going to show you another angle of this as soon as you get around the back here. Now there's a nice, some privacy here. What they've done with the part of the screened area is they've kind of made it, you can see, so it's nice and private for the family. Take a look at this open deck area. Sitting room, got double French doors off the master, which we're going to see that in a second. So let's go back inside and get an idea of the flow of this floor plan. So we're going to come back through here, but when you first come in the front door, you saw your dining. This is the office area. Again, plenty of natural light. You can see here it's a very important, the Michael Jordan poster up. He is the GOAT, you can't argue with that. French or open French doors here, you could close that off and still leave it nice and open. The master suite is around the corner. Even notice the round corners. This is an upgrade whenever you build. Okay, so coming through here, and it's got the higher doors also. Crown molding when you come into the master bedroom. It has double walk-in closet on the left and right. Nice size master bedroom. Again, plenty of natural light in here with the windows, the French doors overlooking the pool area. It's got the really pretty flooring, great for kids, pets, durability. Got it really nicely decorated here. Security system. Let's head to the master bath. It's got granite countertops. Take a look at the frame mirrors, very pretty, and the lighting. Again, there's even crown molding in the bathroom. Can't beat that. Separate tub and a lovely walk-in shower with double shower heads. You can see them in the corners. And who needs to turn the lights on? You just got these triple open windows this way to let natural light in. And then the toilet room area, and there is a linen closet here to the right. All right, so we are going to now gonna head to the back of the house. Through this beautiful kitchen again. Nice sized closet pantry there in the corner. Does have some a good backsplash to it also. So back here, it's really nice because you have, it's really a great teenage suite. This is your guest bathroom, really. Granite countertops here, and this has a shower. Let me just show you the, again, the upgraded with the mirrors and the granite. Let's go in here and take a look. The shower. Got beautiful Estella here. Nice sized bathroom. Again, this is kind of your guest bathroom. And then the back bedroom, which again, teenage suite, mother-in-law suite, what have you. Closet, you got the double closet doors around this way. Notice your dishwasher right here on one of the islands. Got the built-in microwave, Frigidaire, and the range, along with the stainless steel refrigerator. So you can see some of the custom shelving they've got built in here. I think I kind of zipped through that a little bit too quick, but you can see it's really, really pretty. A lot of custom work. Open those sliders up, enjoy that pool. Let's head this way. It's really nicely laid out because everything is, it's a split plan for privacy, so it's great for large families. Double closet doors here. And then we have another full bathroom with, again, granite countertops, wood cabinetry, framed mirrors. And this, I believe, has a tub shower combination. Yep, this is the tub shower combination, same ceramic tile. And then our other bedroom, nice sized bedrooms this way. The laundry room is huge with a sink, along with some additional cabinetry above, even enough room for a fridge. And again, that's gonna be your 3-car garage. There's a little place to hook backpacks, shoes, what have you. So this is just a wonderful family home. This was kind of a quick tour, but I hope you got a good idea of the layout, the openness of this home, and just everything that it has to offer. It's a wonderful family home. I think you would love the location. I'd love to show you this home, myself or one of my teammates. This listing is courtesy of Bethany, who's on our team, and she can absolutely answer any questions also. Feel free to call me or her, and we give you that private tour. So hope you have a great day. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. Have a great day.